What's going on, friend? If you're interested in listing more homes in 2024 than you did in 2023 and listing those homes with a 70% success rate or high, 70% or higher success rate, then I recommend that you consider working with for sale by owners. Let me tell you 3 strong reasons why I believe you should consider working with for sale by owners. Reason number 1, for sale by owners, they are motivated. They put a sign in the yard and they say, hey, hello, everybody, I want to sell my home. They're telling us they want to sell their home, so they're motivated, right? And I've found from being in real estate over 20 years that you have more success when you work with motivated clients than unmotivated clients. The second reason why I believe you should consider listing for sale by owners is that for sale by owners, they will pay your commission. What? Huh? Did he say what I think he just said? Yeah. They're willing to pay your commission. The problem is, the challenge is, do you know how to ask for that commission, right? So they're willing to pay the commission. How do you know? Because in many conversations that I've had with for sale by owners, when I ask the question, hey, listen, if I can bring you the right price and get your house sold in a faster time period, would you consider paying a commission? 85% or more of the time, they say yes. If I can get your home sold at maximum market price in the shortest amount of time possible, would you consider paying a commission? The answer, 85% of the time, friend, I'm telling you, it is yes. And the third reason why I believe you should strongly consider working with for sale by owners is that for sale by owners, according to research, 75% of the time, they're going to choose you anyways. Right? According to a stat that I read from the National Association of Realtors, 75% of the time, a for sale by owners will do one or two things. Number 1, they'll change their mind about selling, or number 2, they'll choose a realtor. 75% of the time, they're going to choose a realtor. Now, let's pretend that you and I could reach out to at least one for sale by owner a week. Just one. Set a goal next week. I'm going to reach out to one for sale by owner a week. How many weeks are typically in a year? 52 weeks. How many potential for sale by owners will you and I contact? 52. It's an easy question, class. Right? One for sale by owner a week, 52 weeks in a year. That's 52 potential listings. Now, according to the National Association of Realtors, 75% of the time, the for sale by owner, they're going to change their mind, or they're going to choose a realtor. So what's 75% of 52? I've already done the math. It's 35. Think about that, friend. 52 opportunities, 75% of the time, that for sale by owner is going to change their mind or choose you. So that's a potential 35 listings in 2024, 35 more listings in 2024 than I did in 2023. But wait, what if I'm 50% right? What if only 50%? Now that's 17 listings. 17 more listings in 2024 than you did in 2023. You keep doing the other area of business, that's fine. I'm saying take a look at for sale by owners. Now on Friday, January the 26th at 11 a.m., we are doing our for sale by owner mastery class, and I'm going to walk you through 90 minutes. I'm going to walk you through how to have success when working with the for sale by owners. In my lifetime in real estate, and that's about 20 years I've been doing this, I have a 75% success rate when listing for sale by owners. I have an 85% success rate at setting that appointment by doing 3 easy steps. So Friday, January 26th, from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., we are doing our for sale by owner mastery webinar on Zoom. It's just $17.95 to attend that webinar. Included in that is I'll send you a copy of my ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Listing FSBOs. That's a $49 value. Also, I will include 30-minute one-on-one coaching call. That's a $175 value. $225 value. All it costs is $17.95 to reserve the seat. So how to work with for sale by owners, how to close more deals in 2024 than you did in 2023. Friday, January 26th, join me on the call. I hope to see you. Friend, I'll see you at the top, because the bottom is just too crowded. Now, we never look down on anyone unless we're looking down to get them a hand up. Let's get it.